Triple Q's update. $502 put options. We're going to go to those now. That's right here. $502 puts. On Friday, the low was 328. I could just tell you when I show you the chart on those puts, our entry on those was exactly $2.10. The high was 9.89. This is on the Triple Q short. You heard what I had to say. That's exactly what I had to say. This is the Triple Q's daily chart. It's sitting on the 10-day moving average. We call the top right here on the high of the start of that reversal at 503, executing the $502 put options on that Triple Q. Join that free live trading room. Go ahead, sign up for the sponsorship program. You're sitting right on that 10-day. That's 492. 492 is the green line. A break below it will bring it to the 20-day. That's at 469.15. That's our target. At that target, we'll cash in. Go ahead, join free stock plays. We do have that program. Let that one be known right here, right now.